What I'm chilling in English. Miss tell me to put that in my pocket. I'm sleeping, looking for a pillow. This is not that awesome. Now walk to the D like, what up? I got a big clock. I'm so mad about some shit I bought from this shop. Pie on the fridge is so damn frosty. Then she's like, what?
Do you want pizza steak?
Piss. But shit, I only have 99 cents. I'ma take your grandpa style, I'ma do Gangnam style. No, for real, ask my grandpa, can you cook me sushi now? Wear your jumpsuit and somehow slipper, dirty brown undies that I found hanging. They had a booking teapot, I bought a booking teapot. I bought a sheep blanket, then I bought an iPod. Hello, can I have a marshmallow? My mom couldn't cook me seaweed, oh hell no. I could have some protein shake, get muscle yo. The haters would be like,
do you ever lift, bro?
I wear my mother's coat.
Yo,
I look invincible.
Yo,
I'm with this big ass coat from the pet shop down the road.
Yo,
I wear my mother's coat. I look invincible. I'm with this big ass coat from the pet shop down the road.
Yo,
I'm chilling English. Miss told me to put that in my pocket. I'm sleeping, looking for a pillow. This is not that awesome.